Nice. Mr. Kabara from Family English. There's a new lesson. The lesson is about participle adjectives. So I'm in a great intention to give clear explanation about what participle adjectives and what are the different types of participle adjectives. Before I start for the lesson, so try to just use this contact address for your contact with me, and please share and comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, please. Then let's directly start about the topic. The topic, as I told you before, is the participle adjectives. Yeah, what's participle? As you understand from the name participles, there are three different types of participle: the present participle, the past participle, and the perfect participle. All the three participles are called adjectives. They are not nouns, they are not adverbs. If they are adjectives, they only describe or modify nouns or kinds of nouns. This is the total definition of what participle adjectives mean. So let me start from each types of participle adjectives here. Nice place, yeah. Some of the common types of adjectives are participle adjectives are the past participle and the present participle. The past participle commonly ends with d or ed for regular verb, and maybe different vowel changes or various forms if they change from present to past participle for irregular verbs. So these examples are called the past participle. The second type of participle is the present participle, and they commonly end with ing, verb or word plus ing, which is called the present participle. Both this past participle and present participle are called adjectives. That's already. They are functioned as adjectives. Look here. If they are adjectives, they only modify or describe nouns. Maybe the nouns are nouns of people, nouns of place, things, events, and ideas. Whatever any kind of nouns on earth, so they can be modified by kind of adjectives. Obviously true. So let me give you just clear explanation about what is the present participle means. As I've told you, the form is ing ending. It describes things and events. Yeah. It sometimes describes about people in special cases. What we commonly use the present participle as describing of things and events, which is different from people, isn't it? Or sometimes it shows about the cause of someone's feeling. Okay, the cause of someone's feeling. The cause of someone's feeling, which is called name of things and name of different events, not people actually does. Take us an example, please. The story was interesting here. This kind of tense, this is not a kind of tense. Was plus ing, sometimes some people think that this kind of tense is past continuous, but it's not past continuous actually, because the story was interesting. Our intention here is interesting, which is adding of interest. Interest by itself is an adjective, and take ing, interesting. This is present participle adjectives. Yeah. What does interesting modifies here? What was interesting? The story. So the story by itself is name of things. All right. The story was interesting. A present participle ስንል በአብዛኛው ወርዱ ላይ አይንጂ የሚጨምርና በአይንጂ የሚጨርስ ሳይሆን ምንድነው የሚገልጸው ነገሮችን ወይም ከሰው ውጭ ያሉ ኢቨንቶችን ዲስክራይብ ማድረግ ነው የሚችለው። ሌላው የሰማንስ ፊሊንግ ነው። ኮዝ ኦፍ ሰማንስ ፊሊንግ ማለት መንስኤን ነው የሚገልጸው። የሰዎችን በናል ፖዚቲቭ ፊሊንግ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ኔጌቲቭ ፊሊንግ ሊሆን ይችላል። ለነዛ ሰዎች ኮዝ ነው። ፊሊንጋቸውን ለፊሊንጋቸው ኮዝ የሆነን ጉዳይ የምንገልጽበት participle present participle ነው። the cause of someone's feeling እሱ ነው። and it describes about things and events, ideas, attributes ይገልጻል actually። ለምሳሌ the story was interesting ስንል present participle ነው። ምክንያቱም interest የሚለው adjective ነው። ing ስንጨምርበት ወደ present participle ቀየር ነው። ኢንትረስቲንግ ስንል ሞዲፋይ የሚያደርገው the story የሚለውን ናውን ፍሬዝ ነው። ይሄ ደግሞ ፍሬዝ ነው። of course the story was interesting. Yeah, what was interesting? The story is interesting. The story is interesting. So I'm excited in reading for the story. I'm excited. I'm excited in reading for the story because the story is interesting. Yes, ታሪኩ ስቶሪው በጣም ኢንትረስቲንግ ስለነበር እሱን ስላነበብኩ እኔ ደስተኛ ነበርኩ ስንል the cause of someone's feeling that's present participle. How I feel about the story past participle እንለዋለን ማለት ነው። yes. next job is just John's job is boring. boring is plus ing boring bore adjective ነው ing ስንጨምርበት present participle ነው። ማን ነው እየገለጸ ያለው? John's job ነው። job is a kind of event ነው። look here. so John is bored. John is bored እዚህ ጋር ያለው ደግሞ bored past participle ነው። ሁለቱ አጠቃቀሞች ይለያያሉ። ኮዝ ነው የገለጸው። ጆን ምን ያክል ስሜት እንደተሰማው ገለጸው። ይሄ ደግሞ የተገለጸበት past participle ይባላል ነው። yes, so John is bored ነው because his job ስለማን ነው? John is bored ተበሳይቷል፣ ደብሮታል because his job is boring። ስለማን ነው የምናወራው? ስለ name of or kind of job ነው የምናወራው። right, nice. Julia thinks politics is interesting. Julia thinks politics is interesting. Yeah, what's interesting here? It is a kind of present participle which modify about the noun politics. It's the cause of someone's feeling. Yeah. Did you meet anyone interesting at the party? Did you meet anyone interesting? Yeah. Interesting at the party. Did you meet anyone interesting at the party? Interesting, which modified at the party, then the phrase here. The news was shocking. This is also present participle, shocking. What was shocking? The news. What is the news means? Is a kind of event and thing. So shocking modifies the noun phrase, the news. Exactly. We can also use the present participle to describe people. Yeah, አንዳንድ ጊዜ present participle ሰዎች ሞዲፋይ ሊያደርግ ይችላል። right? ሰዎች ሞዲፋይ ሲያደርግም ሲገልጽም ኮዝን ነው እየገለጸው። ለምሳሌ is Alex interesting? Is Alex interesting? Interesting is a present participle. It modifies about Alex, whether Alex is interesting or not. Isn't Alex interesting? So this interesting modifies about the noun Alex. Right? Isn't Alex interesting? Yeah. Isn't Alex interesting? It's actually present participle. Alice was interesting to be with. Alice was interesting. Present participle. It modifies who Alice was, which means that was the effect he had on others. Effect now. Alex was interesting. So then effect now means how Alex was felt now. How Alex felt. Alright, ስለዚህ ሁለተኛው አጠቃቀማችን እንጠቀበታለን። nice. The second kind of participle is the past participle. ቅድም ፎርሙን ለመናገር ሞክሬያለሁ። past participle ስንል ሬጉላር ቨርቦች ኢዲን ወይም ዲን ጨምሮ ይሄዳሉ። ኢሬጉላር ደግሞ ቫውል ቼንጅ ያደርጋሉ። ሌላ የተለያየ አቀያየር አላቸው። እነሱም ራሳቸው past participle ሆነው ያገለግላሉ። past participle ከሆኑ ደግሞ they commonly describe people. adjective ነው ያልናቸው አይደል? እነዚህ adjective ከሆኑ ደግሞ person describe ያደርጋሉ። that's okay. በሌላ አገላለጽ person describe አደረጉ ማለት it shows or it describes about how somebody feels. ይያዛል እኮ አይደል? how somebody feels ማለት ኤክስተንቱ ነው። የሰዎችን ስሜት የመግለጽ ኤክስተንቱን የምንገልጽበት participle adjective past participle ይባላል። ልክ ነው እዚህ ጋር describe people ማለት it describes how somebody feels ማለት ነው። okay, right? ለምሳሌ the story interested John. Look, the story interested John. John was interested in the story. Interested. What? John was interested. Yes. How did John feel about the story? Interested. Yes, right. It is interested or was interested by itself is past participle. How much or how often or how John was felt happy about the story, right? But it doesn't touch about the cause of someone's feeling, the cause of John's feeling. የጆንን ኮዝ አይደለም የሚገልጸው። ጆን በስቶሪው ምን ያክል እንደተደሰተ ልንገልጽበት የሚያስችለን ፓርቲሲፕል አድጀክቲቫችን ፓስት ፓርቲሲፕል ነው። ስለዚህ ዲስክራይብ ፒፕል ማለት how somebody feels ነው አይደል? somebody feels somebody ከሆነ ደግሞ describe people ነው። ማንን ገለጸ? ይሄኛው ጆንን ገለጸ። John is a kind of person, a kind of people actually አይደል? Nice. John is bored because his job is boring. John is bored. How does he felt? How does he felt about his job? Bored. What makes John bored? Because his job is boring. John bored የሆነበት ምክንያት ምንድነው? ስራው ነው። ስራው ምንድነው? ቦሪንግ ነው፣ አሰልች ነው። ኮዙን ገለጸ። በስራው አሰልችነት ቦን ምን ሆነ? ቦርድ ሆነ። how he feels about his job ማለት ነው። yes how he feels about relationship is how he feels about the job, and the job is boring because the job is boring. Exactly. Alice is interested in politics. Alice is interested in politics, not interesting in politics. Yeah, yes, Alice is interesting. Alice is interested means the system of the politics, the approach of the politics is really nice, and the politics system is really really interesting. So Alice is interested. የፖለቲካ መዋቅሩ የፖለቲካ ሲስተሙ ጥሩ ነው። ስለዚህ አሌክስ በፖለቲካው ደስተኛ ነው። አሌክስ በፖለቲካው ደስተኛ ነው ስንል የአሌክስን በፖለቲካ ደስተኛ መሆን የገለጸልን ፓስት ፓርቲሲፕል እንለዋለን። ስለዚህ is interesting አንልም። is interesting የምንል ከሆነ ፖለቲክስ ነው የሚገልጸው አሌክስ አይደለም ማለት ነው። are you interested in buying a car? I'm trying to sell mine. Are you interested? Are you interested in buying a car? ማን ነው እየገለጸ ያለው? the speaker or the subject, you person. Everybody was surprised that he passed the exam. Was surprised. Everybody was surprised. Yes, because the exam was easy, common, simple, and everybody was surprised. That's right? So surprise, past participle. It describes about everybody. Exactly, that's true. I was shocked when I heard the news. I was shocked. The news were shocking, you know, the news were shocking because some problem happened. Some problem happened, so the news that I heard was shocking, and I was shocked. የሰማሁት ዜናው በጣም ሼኪንግ ነው። ስለዚህ እኔ ምን ሆንኩኝ? ሾክድ ሆኛለሁ ነው አይደል? ዜናው ሾኪንግ ነው የነበረው ዜና ሾኪንግ ነው። ሾኪንግ በሆነው ዜና I was shocked ማለት እኔ በጣም ሾክድ ሆኛለሁ ነው። how I felt about the news. how I felt about the news, I was shocked. how did the news? Yes, it was shocking. Yes, it was shocking ነው። ከበዛ የተነሳ I was shocked ብዬ ገልጻለሁ። so this is past participle, and this one is the present participle. Both the two participles are commonly, they are adjectives, but their function is completely different. All right? ልዩነቱ ይሄ ነው። how somebody feels, past participle. the cause of someone is feeling, present participle. ወይም present participle, it describes things and sometimes people, and past participle, it describes only people because it reflects about how somebody feels actually. This is a total idea or overview of what participle adjectives are. So I have already designed some questions regarding about the two types of participles, and I'm going to tell you, or I'm going to read it and try to answer the question, please. Yeah. My friends are very because they make too much noise. Take care of the question, please. My friends are very because they make too much noise. Annoyed. Annoying, the past participle, the present participle, simple present, and adverbs actually. ይሄን ለመመለስ የጥያቄውን ዲሲፕሊን ማወቅ ነው። My friends are blank because they make too much noise. በቃ ይሄ ነው። They make too much noise ማለት እዚህ ጋር ፊል አድርጎታል ነው። ፊል ካደረገው ደግሞ ኮዙን ሳይሆን ሰውየው ምን ያክል እንደተሰማው የምንገልጽበት ብቸኛ ፓርቲሲፕላችን annoyed ነው አይደል? My friends are very annoyed because they make too much noise. ብዙ ድምጽ ስለ አወሩበት he was annoyed. He was angry ማለት ነው አይደል? He was angry. How he feels ማለት really terribly angry ማለታችን ነው። ስለዚህ the answer is here. Question number 2. Alice was blank when he saw a very huge black snake. The cause ይሄ ነው እዚህ ጋር አይደል? ይሄ ኮዝ ካለ ደግሞ አሌክስ ምንድነው ፊሊንጉን ነው የሚገልጸው። amazed ነው የምትሉት። amazing አይደለም። Alice was amazed. How he feels when he saw a very huge black snake. Amazed, not amazing. Amazing kalma huge black snake ነው መግለጽ ያለበት እንጂ አሌክስን አይደለም ወይም አላይስን አይደለም የሚገልጸው። አሌክስ ይሄን በማያቱ ምን አይነት ስሜት ተሰማው? ፊሊንጉን ነው amazed የሚለውን መርጣለን። Mr. Smith really didn't like that movie. He thought it was look here. Really didn't like that movie. The question talks about or wants to describe about things, events, but not people. So boring. The present participle less. አያችሁ በጣም ደስተኛ አልነበረም ማለት because he thought it was boring ነው አይደል? አሰልቺ ፊልም ስለነበር ደስተኛ አልነበረም ነው። yes it was boring. it was bored አትሉ meaningless ነው if you say it was bored. ፐርሰኑን አይደለም እየገለጸ ያለው event ነው things ነው እየገለጸ ያለው። ስለዚህ present participle boring ትላላችሁ exactly. I'm blank. Question number 4. I'm blank. Does the exam begins at 2:30 or at 3? But clear no, yes, I'm confusing her because I'm not a kind of event. If you answer about confusing calculi, an person maybe event things name arala. So I'm confused. That the exam let's confused doing how I feel about this the start of the exam, how I feel about the start of the exam, so I'm confused. The past participle, absolutely right. I'm confused. You cannot say I'm confusing. Confusingly and confused. No, the answer is A. The new project sounds blank. I'm looking for what working on. It talks about the new project, nothing else. Yeah. It talks about things, describe about things. Describe about things and events. Actually. Present participle code, it describes things and events, attitudes. Sometimes people need special function ስላለው ነው ዛጋ ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር የሚያወራላችሁ ነገር ምንድነው the new project sounds ስለዚህ exciting ነው ምትላለ the new project sounds exciting. I'm looking for what working on. So you cannot excited. I feel excited ራለው yes I feel excited because of the new project. በኒው ፕሮጀክቱ ምቹ ሁኔታ ስለነበር convenient working environment ስላለ I'm excited ደስተኛ ነኝ እኔ ምን ያክል ስሜት I'm excited because of the new project. And if we am talking about the new project, exactly the present participle because I want to intend to describe about the new project, which is name of things and projects actually, isn't it? That's the difference for exciting and excited. I'm very pleased by the people. The good news. We have a holiday next Monday, please. Still past participle. I'm very pleased. Means I'm very happy by the good news. The good news are pleasing. No, the good news are the good news is pleasing. So let's know more. And I'm very pleased by the good news no more. Yeah. And I'm very pleased by the good news. Yeah. So the news manabako no just marako pleasing, So let me submit me girls pleased to be girls so allo marathon. I hate roller coasters. I hate roller coasters. I think they are. I hate roller coasters. I think they are terrified. Past participle, terrifying. Present participle, terrifyingly. Adverb and terrified. Simple present. Yeah. Let's reach our alone, please. And look here. I hate roller coasters. I think they are terrifying. They are Salamanamaro, Solani Aralam. Roller coasters. Ziga, Zay Yemilo, reference word Miokolo, and in Aralam. Roller coasters Yemilo, event from Miguel Lacho. So let's present participle. Take about Lacho. Next one, please. Yeah, next one, please. I didn't find the situation funny. I didn't find the situation funny. I was not amusing, Garlandor. I was not amusing. I was not amused. I was not amused. Strong. I was not amused. I was not amusement. And the wrong form. So present participle or the past participle. First, you should just identify or state whether the question reads present participle or past participle. I didn't find the situation funny. I was not. So the situation situation as discharge I was not amused. I was not amused, impressed about the situation. I was not impressed. I was not happy about the right. Yes, I was not happy, amused. Yeah. ስለዚህ ማን ነው መልሳችሁ የሚሆነው ማለት ነው amused past participle. Nice, please. These 8 questions are important to identify the use of past participle and the use of present participle, since both the two participles are adjectives. Some describes about nouns, some describes about things and events. So that's the different use of participle adjective, please. Yeah. If you have any question, anyway, before that, I gave you some 8 questions that encourage you to identify, to answer the participle adjective questions. I hope it will give you hints or important information if this kind of question will appear for maybe your entrance examination, for your TOEFL examination, whatever any kind of question or examination. I hope you will answer the question with confidence. Actually, this is Mr. Kabada. For the time being, that's enough. But I want to remember what you are going to do, please. Try to write, comment, share my video, and subscribe my video, and try to use my whole address, please. Yeah. Thank you, my friend, for the time being here.